Welcome to 19801 Aldie Lane in Leesburg, Virginia. Situated on almost an acre of land and surrounded by open space, which will never be developed, this wonderful Loudoun County home is located at the end of a quiet street. A spacious wraparound front porch adorns the front of this home, and there are 2.5 garage bays here. As we make our way inside through this double French-style front door, we are greeted by a 2-story foyer and this beautifully crafted oak staircase. To the left is a living room sitting area, and to the right a spacious formal dining room. You'll love entertaining here with the convenience of a butler's pantry. As we move on into the kitchen, we find wonderfully crafted cabinetry and expansive granite countertops. The chef in your family will absolutely appreciate 2 separate breakfast bar islands, as well as double ovens and a gas cooktop. An artfully designed palladium window floods this area with plenty of natural light. You'll also enjoy this light-filled dining area, where just outside there is a cozy back porch that is the perfect place for a morning cup of coffee. This home's great room is nothing less than spectacular. You'll enjoy entertaining or just relaxing here as nature floods in through these amazing 2-story floor-to-ceiling windows. This home has 2 separate master bedroom suites. This one on the main level features a coffered ceiling and an ensuite full bath with heated floors and a separate shower. A staircase from the great room provides easy access to the second level. And here we find the second master suite. It has a wonderful full bath with a shower and a soaking tub. There are 3 other bedrooms on this upper level and 2 additional full baths. Now let's make our way all the way down to the beautifully finished walkout lower level. The highlight here is a wonderful stone-surrounded wet bar. This humongous space has a gas fireplace, a full bath, and space for a possible 6th bedroom. There is also this fitness area, which could be used as a media room. This lower level walks out to a huge patio. Beautiful stonework, a water feature, and amazing landscaping makes this a special place to entertain or just enjoy nature. You'll appreciate the fact that this home is just minutes from historic downtown Leesburg with its unique shopping and fine dining. In addition, at nearby local vineyards, you can sample award-winning wines while enjoying weekly entertainment. For commuters, the Greenway is just a short drive away with easy access to Dulles International Airport and on into Washington, D.C. This amazing home is in pristine condition and ready now for your family, but surely will not last long. For more information or to arrange for a private showing, call or message Eve Weber at 571-218-2503 or visit her on the web at sellingloudon.com.